Hello everyone. As you can see, I have some happy mail from US Games. Now I have an idea what this is, but I haven't opened it yet. I was waiting to do this here. So let's get into the box and see what I have. And I've never unboxed anything from US Games before, so I don't know how they package and what they do. And this is exactly what I thought it was going to be. Get that out of the way. This is the Ethereal Visions Tarot Luna Edition, and this is by Matt Hughes. Now this is the second edition. He had one prior and it went out of print, and then during that phase US Games picked it up and put it on mass market. So all of this happened like last summer, I think, was the first time that I heard about this. And so this is where we begin. So Ethereal Visions Tarot, as you can see, the box itself has holographs. And this is the beautiful and lovely box. Okay. In creating Ethereal Visions Tarot, Matt Hughes has drawn inspiration from the Art Nouveau movement, adopting its distinctive style and meticulous approach to craftsmanship. The artist created 2 additional cards to supplement the traditional major arcana. Every detailed image in the 80-card deck is hand-drawn and colored. The Luna edition includes revised artwork reflecting greater diversity, and each card is illuminated with iridescent silver foil stamping. And it includes a 140-page expanded full-color guidebook. So, let's get, oh my goodness, it's one of these tight boxes. Well, they definitely are protecting the cards. Okay. Alrighty, so this is the backs, and I need to take them out of the cellophane. Let's first have a glance through. Well, there's no stamping on the book, okay? Let's have a glance through the book. Dedicated to my loving wife, Hope, without whom this would not have been possible. Your laughter makes each day worth living. Oh, that's a nice, sweet thing to do. everything is left as such. Pentacles, cups, wands. He talks about spreads. The illuminated Luna spread. I'll have to look into that. Finding balance. A room for notes. And then there is the full color depiction. And it gives upright and reversed. And so it's just a little bit. And that looks to be for, now these are smaller back here, but it's still full color. So yeah, I think that's going to be a nice guidebook. And so let's get right into the cards. So of course, this is the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, and I apologize if that's creating too much of a glare, the Emperor, the Hierophant. Oh, well, that's an interesting take on the Hierophant, the mentor, the teacher, the Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, the Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune. And this card stock feels, I don't know, feels a little cardboardy, but not too thick. I believe it'll be okay. Justice, the Hanged Man, Death, Temperance. Oh my God, what a beautiful Temperance card. Oh, now she is the goddess of the rainbow, so that is just, oh my goodness. Well, Temperance is connected to Iris, and Iris is the goddess of the rainbow. Okay, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, and the World. She's a full figure lady. And then we have the Whale, which is number 22. And then we have, what's this? The Artiste? No, a rat. Is that a rat? I don't know what that is. Artiste? Yeah, Artiste. It's 23. Oh, I hate it when they do this. Okay, so it looks like they're going to go backwards. They're going to go from the King to the Ace. So here's the King, the Queen of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Page, and then we go to the ace. So you do the courts and then the suit. Okay, that's different. So the Ace of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Three of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Five of Cups, the Six, the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. Then we have the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. We have the King of Swords, the Queen of Swords, our Knight of Swords, and our Page of Swords. The Ace of Swords, the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords, the Four of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Six of Swords, the Seven of Swords, it seems I have the Eight also, the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. And we have the King of Wands, his Queen of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Page of Wands, our Ace of Wands, the Two of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Six of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Ten of Wands. I think they're very beautiful and lovely. I like the addition of race and body diversity. I wasn't paying any close attention. I don't know if there is any sexual gender diversity. As y'all can see, a regular deck stretches my hands to the limits. Okay. I thought I would shuffle them up a little bit and we would see what they look like in a spread. Okay. I think they are just simply beautiful. I recently did a video on pairings. I usually pair my tarot with an oracle deck, and I was just sitting here thinking, what oracle are you going to pair this with? And right off the top of my head, I don't know. Comment down below and let me know who you would pair this with. What oracle deck you think it would pair nice with. Do you have the Luna edition, first or second? If you only have the first, are you going to get the second edition, or do you have plans to get the mass market? I was unable to get a first edition, and so I was real happy to hear that it was going mass market. Because this was a deck I seen on a creator's YouTube that I thought was just breathtaking. It is just truly beautiful. So this is the Ethereal Visions Tarot Luna Edition by Matt Hughes. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you. If you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't. Make suggestions for other content you'd like to see me create. Give me feedback on what you think I could do better or done differently in this video. Share my videos with your friends. All of these things will help my channel to grow, and I appreciate all your support for my small channel. You will be seeing me soon in a hashtag, a VR, an unboxing, or just one of my daily collectives. So thank you for watching today, for giving me support, and bye.